RV University School of Design and Innovation hosts India's only curated design AI showcase Ellipsis 2025, Bangalore, May 8, 2025. Informed conversations and avant-garde work by students of School of Design and Innovation, SDI, RV University, marked this year's Ellipsis, a curated and thematic platform that illustrated the vision, process, and outcomes of learners' engagement with design in a world rapidly driven by AI. School of Design and Innovation, SDI, RV University, is the only design school in Bangalore and among a very few in India to do a curated show, and that too a standalone show on design and AI, themed I, with, for, and against. The 3-day exhibition held at the prestigious Bangalore International Centre showcased work by SDI students across all batches and disciplines, touching off insightful deliberations and debates over the entire spectrum of artificial intelligence. The event was organized entirely by students, with faculty supporting them as mentors and guides across in terms of curation, media, display, and logistics. The subthemes of the event were Human-AI Dynamics in Design, Ethics and Empathy in AI-Driven Design, Reimagining Authorship and Identity, Sustainability in the AI Era, and Designing for Uncertainty.
Hello, my name is Kavana. I'm a master's student. I'm doing masters in UI UX, and this is my project. So our project was to go to IKEA, study the place and see what problems are there, and redesign some space that we can use in future. So I saw problem in the price tag, so I redesigned the price tag of IKEA. So I given special colors because the price tag only had black and white, which was very difficult to read. So I gave special colors telling which is bestseller, which is on sale, and all the information which is readable. And I've given multiple colors so that the users can read properly from very long far distance. So this is my project on IKEA.
How long you took time for this?
So this was a 1-week project. So we went, before that 1 week we went to that space, we spent 2 days over there, checked the whole space, and then this whole project took 1 week.
I'm Tanya KS, a master's student in RVU, and this is my work. It's called Co-Navigating IKEA. It addresses how AI can be incorporated and can make the experience of a user better in IKEA. So whether it's with their kiosks or whether it's with a wayfinding system, it helps in moving around and making your experience very easy and better to navigate in a space that's so crowded and that's so occupied like IKEA. It's simple things that can be integrated that can actually help your experience as a customer. And for context, this is with AI. So not only can you see that the AI integrated kiosk will actually contribute to the overall experience, but it helps you choose and make your choices as a customer, whether it's to build combinations, whether it's to create a complete cohesive experience. It helps overall.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anuradha Chatterjee. I'm the Pro-Vice Chancellor of RV University and Dean of School of Design in Innovation. I'm a designer and academic for the last 23 years, and I'm very happy to call RV University my academic home for now.
Questions?
What inspired the School of Design to curate a three-pronged theme for with and against AI for the year's event?
That's a great question, and I think the reason why the school has thought about curating an exhibition like this in a prominent institution in Bangalore, which is at the Bangalore International Centre, is that we understand over the past 2 years that parents, students, faculty, industry leaders have all been asking this question about, are you AI ready? How much AI have you integrated? And what do you really think about the use of AI? So AI seems to be the topic really for the year 2025, and we thought we wanted to look at how students and faculty are engaging with this theme, and to what extent have they integrated AI into the design curriculum. A lot of questions are being asked about, if the design industry is going to be the same or different in the future. Our jobs are going to be different. What are the new kinds of jobs that are going to come up in the industry? So we really thought it's an important, so it's more of an interrogation rather than a presentation. So this is, and I hope the public and it's kind of an offering not just to design academies, but to entire city of Bangalore to come and see and engage and give feedback on what they really think of what's being presented here.
How does this event aim to balance optimize about AI's creative potential with the valid concept around the ethics and authorship and social political implement?
That's a wonderful question, and literally 2 of our panel discussions are dedicated to this, including our open mic session that the students have curated and led. So yesterday in the panel discussion that I had with 4 other members from the industry and academia, we asked this question about whether learning, the nature of learning changes through the integration of AI, and what constitutes cheating and not cheating and misuse and use in AI, and where we are in terms of formulating policies on how AI can and should be used as an enabler. This morning it was taken up as an open forum, as an open mic session by our students, where they presented for and against perspectives on the topic. So there are no right answers, and at the same time all the answers are right that the panelists are coming up with. And this afternoon we would love to also capture that in this conversation, that we're doing a panel on AI and ethics. Again, that panel has members from the fields of sociology, law, data science, AI itself, and this is quite a diverse multidisciplinary panel that's looking closely at this use of AI in dark patterns and misuse, and broadly kind of ethics in AI. So that's a panel that I'd kind of encourage everybody to queue in on as well.
Thank you.
Would you like to talk about why have you, as a university, as RV University, why have you chosen this platform to come up with the concept of an exhibition for the students?
Right.
Why would you do that, and why this topic?
Yeah, so that's a great question, Neha. I think it's part of the theme of RV University is being a globally tech-driven university that's very, very connected with this idea of making social impact. So making an impact in society through the idea of doing an exhibition is something that rings true to the School of Design. So that's the reason why we've chosen such a public venue. Last year we did the exhibition in Chitrapalli Parishad in Bangalore, also a very historically prominent and important and a currently important institution. Before that we did our conference at the Infosys Science Foundation in Jayanagar. So through reaching out to the public, we believe in this idea that design has to be democratic. So India is a democracy, design has to be democratic. So therefore we have chosen this venue to curate the work, and like I said in my previous reel, that it's an offering. We consider it as a gift to the city of Bangalore, that they can enjoy this and they can engage with this. It is more for them to engage rather than for our students to benefit from. Our students have already benefited by being in the classroom and doing the work. Now we want society to take away something from it as well.